What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And this is a kind of a video I didn't plan, but it's just too cool not to share. In one of my past videos, I listed one of the collectible Mustangs that are surely going to appreciate. I think I called it that's not unobtainium, are the 35th anniversary 1999 Mustang GTs. Now I know what you might be thinking, that all 1999 Mustangs are 35th anniversary cars. They kind of are, as you can see by my wife's 1999 GT right here. It does have 35th anniversary badges on the front fenders. But that doesn't have the special limited edition 35th anniversary package that only came on GT convertibles and coupes. In 1999, 2,318 GT coupes and 2,310 GT convertibles came with what was known as the limited edition 35th anniversary package. That car came with a 99 specific hood scoop that was later carried on to, I believe, the 2000 Spring Edition cars. And even though our 99 does have a hood scoop on it, I actually got one of those from a 2001 way back in the day that came in the same silver metallic. It also had the rear honeycomb panel that went on the deck lid of the car, a special rear wing, special side scoops, and special side skirts. Now, even though a lot of these pieces look like the parts from 2001 to 2004 cars, they are not exactly the same. On the inside of the car, it came with special leather seats that had silver inside accents, as well as door cups painted silver with the dark charcoal interior. The dashboard had a special silver bezel, and I actually have one on this car that I bought probably 3 months after we bought it. At the time, all of these parts were available, and a good buddy of mine, my buddy Jimmy, he had a 99 35th anniversary in silver, which is really, really cool. So along with all the special parts on the car, ownership of a true 35th anniversary limited edition car also gave you a couple of like Ford press pieces or Ford special pieces that would probably become collectibles, and I haven't seen some in quite some time. For example, one thing that came with the car was this special leather 35th anniversary CD holder. I mean, this one we've had since 2000. I don't know if the camera can get a focus of that. It's got a really nice, it's got the 35th anniversary emblem on it, which is the exact same thing that's on the front fenders. And I think this one holds 10 or 12 CDs. I mean, this is back when people used to use CDs. So my buddy Jimmy gave it to us because he didn't need it. He was making his car into a race car. The only thing that's wrong with it is that the zipper pull actually broke. The zipper does work, but you know, it's no big deal. We used it for CDs. I don't know what we have in here. Got some Billy Joel, got some Red Hot Chili Peppers, got some Funkmaster Flex. Yeah, it's been a while. So anyway, the other day I was kind of browsing Facebook Marketplace and I came across something. I just had to buy it and I want to share it with you. So let's go take a look. So what we have here is the original box. You can see it came from Ford Mustang program headquarters in Troy, Michigan. The box is in great shape. It has a beautiful 35th anniversary kind of a metal flake logo on here. Again, the same one that's on the front fender of the cars. Opening it up, the first thing you're going to see is this book, Mustang Chronicle by Jerry Heasley and the Auto Editors of Consumer Guide. Just a really great book. I mean, I have a lot of Mustang books, but this details the entire story of the car. It's kind of cool. It goes from 64 and a half through all of the generations. It actually ends here. It's got to 1999, which makes sense because that's probably, yep, this was published in 1998. Going to the end of it, you're going to see it has the all new 1999 Mustang. Really cool. Like I said, this was given as part of this package. I think it's a really cool book, and yeah, I'm very pleased. It's in, even the jacket is in really, really good shape. In addition to that, you get this 35th anniversary leather key fob. I actually have one of these on my wife's keys. I've had a couple of them. They're not super rare, but it did come with the package, which I like that it's kind of included. This is the aforementioned CD case, although this one is brand new. It's even got the silica gel from 1999, never been opened. This thing is in absolutely perfect shape. Amazing. And the final piece of the puzzle was this. This was the 35th anniversary Mustang CD series. It came with 3 CDs. It was called Reborn to Run, which is kind of the tagline of the 99 Mustang. It's got 3 discs, 1, 2, and 3. These jackets, or whatever they're called, are in great shape. Unfortunately, there are no CDs in here, but it's interesting to see what we have here. You got Born to Be Wild by Steppenwolf. My gosh, Moni Moni by Tommy Jones. What else we got on here? You're So Vain, Carly Simon. 2 Tickets to Paradise, Eddie Money. I mean, this is just so cool. It's almost like opening up a time capsule. I mean, it's a shame I don't have the CDs, but that's okay. I'm glad just to have this. It's just really cool. So this is what you would get if you bought the 35th anniversary package. You'd get these things, kind of like, I guess, to celebrate the 35th anniversary of Mustang, and you know, part of the consumer experience. I'm sure they did things like this when the Mustang hit the 50th anniversary. I don't know about the 40th in 2004. If Ford did anything in 04 to commemorate the 40th anniversary, I know they made that special edition crimson red car. But if you know of any things they did like that, I'd be interested to know. Like I said, really, really cool piece of memorabilia. So there you have it. I mean, just some really cool stuff. And I know that typically, not a lot of people know about that limited edition 35th anniversary car, so I figure even less people may know about those pieces, those collectible pieces that came with the car, and to have the opportunity to purchase them in such great shape, it's something I just couldn't pass up, especially owning this 99. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. And yeah, I will see you on the next one.